will, would. Confused? Do you say I will go or I would go? Let's clear this confusion. Will. Will is used when you are sure. Talking about future. That means sure future. Examples. I will meet you tomorrow. હું આવતીકાલે તમને મળીશ. They will come next week. તેઓ આવતા અઠવાડિયે આવશે. Would. Would is used when you are polite, imaging or talking about past habit. I would help you but I am busy. હું તમને મદદ કરી શકું પણ હું વ્યસ્ત છું. When I was child, I would play all day. જ્યારે હું બાળક હતી ત્યારે આખો દિવસ રમતી હતી. So guys, remember, if it's about future, use will. If it's about politeness or imagination, use would. Now tell me in comment, would you like more grammar tips like this? Follow for more easy English grammar tips.